friends. In this video, you will understand first the nature of the roots, where we'll explain about the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Then I will explain about nature of the roots, and we will do few related sums. So let us start, which is discriminant and nature of the roots. As we know, for any quadratic equation, general quadratic equation is represented by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. That means what? Degree should be 2. Any quadratic equation. If you see my previous video, you can easily understand this. Now, if this is the situation, then discriminant of this quadratic equation, which is denoted by d, you can write either as small d or as capital D, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now what? We'll talk about nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. There are three things possible. First thing, d is greater than 0. Then what happens? Roots are, whatever roots you will get, are real and unequal. Second condition, what can happen is d is equal to 0. In that case, roots are real and equal. Here greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. But equal to 0, roots are equal. And the third thing, yes, rightly you understood, that is possibility is d is less than 0. That means there is no real roots. No real roots. When you will do your higher studies in maths, we term it as imaginary roots. So if you know this much, then it will be very simple for you to do the sums. Then it comes with the first question. First question says, you have to find the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, which is exercise 4F. Exercise 4F, question number 2, 1. I'm sorry, question number 1, 2, rather. Question number 1, 2, Roman 2. Question said, 2x square minus 5x minus 4. 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. The question said, find the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. That means what? Always write like this. Given equation. Whatever be the given equation, write that. 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Then if we compare with the general quadratic equation, what we can get, what we can write here is here. What is our general quadratic equation? It is like this, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if it is, first of all, I have to bring it into this form, and after that I have to compare. See, here a, here it is 2. Here a, here 2. Here b, here minus 5. So I'll write b equal to minus 5. And here c, here rightly you said it is minus 4. Very good. Now, next thing is, they said to find the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, always remember you have to find the discriminant. So right here, discriminant, which is your d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 5 whole thing square, minus 4, a means 2, c means minus 4. So minus 5 whole square, minus square, always remember is plus, because minus into minus is always plus, which is 25, minus minus, again it is plus, 4 to the 8, 4 the 32. 32 plus 25, which is 57. Naturally, which is greater than 0 or less than 0? Naturally, it is greater than 0. 0 se bada hai. So 57 is greater than 0. So they told you to find the nature of the roots. You can write therefore, roots are. From the condition, if you apply, real. No doubt real, but greater than 0. That's why it is, and unequal. So that is your answer. If simply they tell you to find discriminant, your answer finish here, 57. No need after this part. I believe you understood. So we'll move on to the next sum. Next sum, again, to find the nature of the roots. 3 by 5x square, given equation. Let me directly start with the sum. Given equation, this is question number 2, Roman 2. Question number 2, Roman 2. Given equation 3 by 5 x square minus 2 by 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So what it happens? From the previous knowledge, you can easily understand. Here, a equal to 3 by 5, b equal to minus 2 by 3, and c equal to plus 1, that is 1. Now you find discriminant d, which is b square minus 4ac. So you put the values, which is minus 2 by 3, whole thing square, minus 4. A is your 3 by 5 into c is your 1. Now minus square means plus, 2 square is 4 by 9. Minus 4 3s are 12 by 5. Your LCM is 45. So 5 into 4, which is 20. Minus, here it is again 9. 9 into 12 is 108. Which is equal to, you are getting negative answer. Minus 8, which is minus 88. No, 8 minus 0 is 8, yes. 10 minus, yes, minus 88 by 45, which naturally negative, which is less than 0. So therefore, roots are not real. Roots are not real. Why? Because it is less than 0. So moving on to the next sum. Sorry, the question number was 2, 3. Not 2, 2, it is 2, 3. Thank you. So we will move on to the next sum, where it is said, a quadratic equation is given. When it is written roots are real and equal, you have to find the value of k. Okay, let me come to that. So roots are real and equal. So first let us write given equation. Given equation. Yes, your question number. Your question number, this one is question number 4, 2. Question number 4, 2. Given equation, let me write the equation 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. 4x square plus kx plus 9 equal to 0. The question said, find the value of k for which this quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So, directly we can write from your previous knowledge here, a equal to, yes, rightly said it is 4, b equal to k. Because it is coefficient term, constant term is k, and c equal to 9. In the question it is given, since roots are real and equal. So, real and equal, therefore, d is equal to 0. From the previous condition, if you see it nicely, the condition said d is equal to 0, implies d means discriminant. Formula says b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now put the value. B square means b is your how much? Yes, k square minus 4 into 9 equal to 0. So k square minus 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144, which is equal to 0. K square equal to 144, and let me write it here, implies k equal to, now you know we have to take always plus minus, which is 144. Because it is square, I am removing the square, this right side I am taking root, and that also with plus minus. So k equal to plus minus, if you take the square root, which is 12. So therefore, k equal to 12 or minus 12. Answer. So, in the next video, we will do about real roots and distinct roots. Hopefully this much is clear to you. If you understand very nicely, please subscribe the channel and press in the like button. Thank you.